Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Geek and Gorgeous Happier Barrier. This product retails for $11.80. This is the more rich moisturizer from Geek and Gorgeous. I was a huge fan of their Hydration Station moisturizer. I wanted to try out this product because it has amazing supporting ingredients in it. Something I've noticed from all the Geek and Gorgeous products I've tried is that their formulations are really impressive. So I'm so excited to try out this richer moisturizer from them. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance free, alcohol free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Highlighted ingredients in this product include squalane, lipids, and ceramide 2. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. The main things I'll be looking for with it include does it cause any acne, and also what finish does it leave on the skin. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this moisturizer. I really love this product, but I wish I would have tried it out in the winter time because I just feel like it's a little too heavy for my T-zone. This one is definitely very rich, but I don't feel like it would be too much. Maybe for really oily skin types, but not too much for like combination to dry skin types. It's just because I prefer the gel cream during the summer because I do get a little bit more oily in my T-zone. It's definitely very light, doesn't leave much of a finish, but it is thick. So that is what I'm noticing so far. It just does feel a little bit heavy when I am already pretty oily. It has a great complex of ingredients. I've only used it for a couple of days. So far, no new texture, no new clogged pores, no new acne. Hopeful for that. It feels really nice going on the skin, but I noticed that wearing it throughout the day, especially when I'm being in the heat, it can just be a little bit too much for my oily areas. It definitely does provide an instant soothing benefit to it, and it is a very luxurious moisturizer. If you are more dry, you are going to love this product. This is definitely the dry skin moisturizer. I feel like in the winter, I need to revisit this. See there, doesn't leave much of a finish, but it definitely is a heavier moisturizer, and I noticed that to be true the more that I use this product. It doesn't leave much of a finish at first, but I do get a little bit too oily around my T-zone, so that is all I'm noticing so far. I'm going to continue using it, seeing what else I notice with it, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. This product didn't clog my pores, and I really love this moisturizer, but I feel like I tried it during the wrong season. This was a little bit heavy for me during the summer, just because I am more oily to combination, more oily in my T-zone and drier around my dry areas. The only time I found that I was really using this product during the summer was overnight when I needed a really luxurious night cream. I feel like it was a little bit too much for my skin otherwise. It was overall a great product and a wonderful moisturizer that didn't feel greasy or heavy on the skin, but I noticed it was just doing a little bit too much for my skin during the summer, and I did prefer their Hydration Station moisturizer over this one in the summertime. If you are more dry, I feel like that is when you would really love this product. I'm going to need to evaluate it in the winter because I want to fully give this product the review that it deserves, and so I will be revisiting this product through short form content in the winter. I also want to do a slight comparison to the Dew Instant Angel because that is a product that seems very similar to this. Obviously, Dew is in a lane of its own. I feel like they have other standout ingredients in that product, but this could potentially be a cheaper alternative to that if you are not wanting to spend that much on skincare. Depending on what your skin type is and what season it is depending on whether or not I would recommend this. This ultimately didn't clog my pores or cause acne. It was just a little bit too much for my skin during the summer, and so I feel like this would be the perfect winter moisturizer for me. Overall, if you are more dry, I feel like you could use it all year round. If you do get more dry in the winter and you're oily or acne prone, I would recommend using this product, but it just depends on your skin type and also the weather outside. This is a really beautiful moisturizer. It's one of the most affordable I have seen with the level of ingredients in it and amazing benefits for the skin. I noticed that my skin was overall really deeply nourished without leaving a greasy finish. It provided a wonderful benefit to my skin, especially overnight. I feel like I will love using this situationally in the summer as a night cream and the hydration station during the day. This is really good after a long day. I've been outside for an extended period of time and I needed something really nourishing at night. That is when I really enjoyed this product, and that is what I feel like I will be using it as a summer moisturizer. If you're wanting something more gel cream route, I would recommend the Hydration Station, which is personally what I'm going for this summer and what I would recommend. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.